Vlog 10. Nurse Ann received a gift. Good morning to you all, my loving or pinalangga na subscribers. This is your Ate Ann again, and welcome back to my channel, SIMPLYANALIZA.N. Okay, so today we will be unboxing a gift. Of course, it's Christmas time. I have a gift from a friend, Jen, and thank you so much for this advance present. So these are 8 boxes of course, my cookware. We will see what we got, and please join me and see what's inside. Okay, let's start. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Some I remove the plastic already because so it will be easy for us. The different colors. Ooh, wow. So this is the green one, red one, and I can use this in our little restaurant, in our little farm. So this one with 2 leather to use. So this is the golden color. The next is the orange color. So cute. I love the color. So many. I'm excited to cut. This one. Ang galing. Sing like a good cook, right? Yeah. And this one. And this one. And this for different kinds of Lego. these are 15 sets. And we get a good deal. It's with the steamer. I'm gonna learn how to cook rice cake and cupcakes. No, cupcakes. Steamed rice cakes. Okay, we will try. And this other one is like this cake. So, what you can do? Now we will see what we still got. Okay, so this is the covering. Oh, there is a working bowl and then holders for the pots. So we got with the cover too, and now our star where we can have our steamer and cover it. Oh, nice. So one more. This is the saucepan. The second pot, another frying pan. We have lots of it in one set because it's 15 pieces. What are you doing on? Are you selling? Oh no. These Cookingwares are also going for their pictorials. Okay, get ready. See, 15 pieces. Whoa, so many. I'm excited to send home and let them enjoy to use it. And if you are new to my channel, please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, share, and ring the bell. I will be glad to see your comments, be it bad or good. Free support is appreciated. For our shout out, hi Yeye, a dear friend of mine since childhood. Thank you for watching from Austria, Rosani Yen. And thank you to kay Christy from Hafar Albatin, who is always there supporting me as well. Christy Violet Vlogs. And to all my subscribers here in my hospital, and kay Alex Farmers, si Sir John is a teacher but he is also a farmer. My architect farmer friend, Architect Dara Garcia of Cebu, Dream Life. And mentor ko din na si Sir Reden Costales, the Agrilineal. And thank you so much for always there to watch my videos too, Jang and Gear. Yung iba, sa next naman. Okay? Thank you so much for always there to support me. Nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso. God bless everyone!